So, good morning, one and all. Is my screen is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, after a long time, we are starting again. So, you need to recollect where we were actually. हम कहाँ थे? Last, what was covered in the last lecture?
सर आप स्टैक एप्लीकेशन पर थे सर।
Parenthesis matching.
Okay, done. Parenthesis matching I have covered. So, in application of stacks, we have till then we have covered about recursion. I think now Tower of Hanoi we have
यस सर।
covered. Tower of
यस सर
Hanoi.
दोनों।
After
Yes,
that,
sir.
after that we have covered parenthesis matching. These three things we have covered. Done.
यस सर। डन सर।
Okay, and now
Yes, sir.
reversing of a string also has been covered. How we can reverse a string. So all
Yes,
these
sir.
PPTs have been shared on Google Classroom. Have you got that?
मिल गई सर।
In
और
morning,
आपने
in
Yes.
morning only I have shared all these.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So someone is asking on on WhatsApp to me. I want to show that नाम तो लिखा नहीं अपना, but he wants to like
अजय शर्मा सर। अजय शर्मा है।
Ajay. So Ajay, now you have got or not?
Yes, sir. I've got.
Done. Done. So now we are starting with the next application of the stack, that is expression handling. Okay. So first of all, let me clear what is expression. These many applications we have already covered: factorial, tower of an eye, function calling return, reversing a string of a number list. Then now we are going to start with the handling of arithmetic expression. So first of all, what is arithmetic expression? Do you know what is arithmetic expression?
यस सर
Like
अर्थमेटिक
an
ऑपरेटर्स का यूज किया जाता है।
expression, an expression which is a combination of some operands and some operator is called
ऑपरेटर।
arithmetic expression. Now, what are the operand? Operands are the variables or a constants on which we want to perform some operations. And what are the operator? Operators are the operations that we are going to perform on the operands. In Is there any doubt in these two terms, operands and operator? Anybody? In any arithmetic expressions, we have only two kinds of, like we can say, quantities. One is operator and one is operand. Is it okay? Yes or no? At least
ओके
be
सर।
interactive.
Yes,
At
sir.
least be interactive.
ओके
Everyone
सर।
needs to say no. Okay. So now we will see in stack now how we can use stack in order to handle the various arithmetic expressions. Okay. In handling, what we will see, handling, we will see two different things as you are seeing in this PPT, that is expression conversion and expression evaluation. Expression conversion, it means key how one kind of expression can be converted into another one and vice versa. And second one is expression evaluation, how the expression being evaluated. Like suppose you are writing 5 plus 3 multiplied 2 divided by 5, whatever it is, so how it will be evaluated in your program. Suppose you are writing a statement in which some arithmetic calculation is being there. Okay, simple say a equals to b plus c you are writing, so how b plus c will calculate and how it will be stored into the a, that we will see how that can be done with the help of stack only. So how compiler works on that, how it is being performed, we will see now with the help of stack. Okay. So for that, first of all, we should know that how many different kinds of arithmetic expressions are there actually. Okay. So like in concern of C language, we can say, or programming language, in any programming language, if you will see, so expressions can be categorized in three different forms. First one is infix form, second one is prefix form, and third one is postfix form. So very well explained with the name only. Infix means in. You can use this word only in. So in means like inside the two operands. Okay. So
सर बिटवीन कह सकते हो.
between the two operands. Between the two operands. Okay. Like here you are seeing that in. In I have written. So what does in means actually? इनका मतलब क्या है बताएं? in means likewise a
But
plus b.
between
So like two operands are there, a and b, two operands, and in between those we are performing some operator. That is called
Yes, sir.
infix
इन
expression.
फिक्स एप्स
In
सर,
means
दो ऑपरेशन जिनमें ए और बी तो सर ऑपरेंड है जिनके बीच ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म हो रहा है, और जो ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर रहा है वो है सर ऑपरेटर। यहाँ पर अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर सर प्लस है।
so this is called infix expression, in which an expression in which the operator is in between its two operands. Okay, जो normally that you are writing you all are writing in the form of infix. Okay, now prefix, second one is prefix expression. Prefix it means कि pre मतलब क्या होता है?
पहले
Precedent.
परफॉर्म हो रहा है।
So
Before.
we need to put the operator in before the operand. Okay, now I am like आप लोगों ने वो तो देखा ही होगा, हम like we have used infix and prefix operators. Yes or no?
यस सर, प्री
आपने
इंक्रीमेंट
यूज किया हुआ है प्लस a. What does it means? Plus a it means it is positive value. Minus a means it is negative value.
नेगेटिव
With
वैल्यू।
plus a we have written. What does it means? It is pre-increment. And then it is post-increment. Sorry,
पोस्ट
pre-decrement.
प्री
Pre-decrement.
डिक्रीमेंट।
And this is post-increment or decrement. So now with the same thing. Now here this plus, this minus r. बताएं, ये जो plus है, ये minus है, ये plus plus है, ये which categorization of operator are they? Are they binary? Are they unary operator?
अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर।
No. I am asking about they are unary operator or they are binary
यूनरी
operator.
यूनरी
Unary, sir,
ऑपरेटर।
unary operator.
Unary means
स्पेशल ऑपरेटर की कैटेगरी।
yes. Unary operator means
Single operand.
single
Single operand.
operator.
single operand. It is working on single operand. Like plus 5. I am writing plus 5. It is a unary operator. So in this case, plus is working as a unary operator and it is working only on single operand. Only one variable is there in which it is being operand. Okay. Likewise, same plus 5. It means it is operating on the 5. So it is a unary operator. But now in this case, plus AB, it is binary operator. Why binary?
Because it will be working
Two
for
operand.
two.
Yes, it is working for two operands. So now what does it means actually? Plus AB, it means ki it is actually equivalent to this a plus b. But we are writing it in different form and that form is actually known as prefix form. Prefix
सर
form.
ऑपरेशन तो पहले ही परफॉर्म हो रहा है ना।
नहीं हो रहा है perform पहले. It doesn't means कि operation perform. I am not saying कि operation is being performed priorly. Okay, they are all like all these three are having the same meaning actually. Okay, meaning same है इन सबका meaning यही बोलता है कि like what we need to do, we need to perform plus operator on A and B, but we are writing it, they are in the different forms. First one is in infix form, second one is in prefix form, and third one is in postfix form. That's it. All these three like equations are working as same, or the result of all the three equations will also be same. Okay,
So they
but
work similarly, all of the three
yes,
expressions.
definitely in this case when we are not putting any brackets they will work as same. Okay,
सर मॉड्यूलस के साथ भी ये होगा सर।
done. Any operator you can use, plus, minus, multiplication, divide, modulus, whatever you want. Any binary operator, any you can use over there. As in arithmetic operations, we only have some binary form. हम सब ये जानते हैं कि arithmetic operation में हम अभी केवल binary operations की ही बात करेंगे. Yes or no? So
Sir, these are just various forms of writing a plus b.
done. बिल्कुल सही समझे आप. That's it. Okay, they are simply a form of writing an expression in different forms. That's it. Nothing else. Suppose
सर
I
ये
am
केवल दो ऑपरेंड के साथ ये परफॉर्म होगा।
Suppose हम बात कर रहे हैं 5 plus 6 और I am writing plus 5 6 or I am writing 5 6 plus. All are same. Okay, all will produce the same result as 11. Okay, do not try to like match it with prefix and postfix operators. Okay, These are simply expression I am talking about, and they are the three different forms of writing the same expression: 5 plus 6, or plus 5 6, or 5 plus 5 6 plus. First one is in infix forms, second one is in prefix form, third one is in postfix form. Obviously ये दो ही ऑपरेटर पे परफॉर्म होगा, बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्थमेटिक एक्सप्रेशंस. सो अर्थमेटिक्स में हमें पता है कि वी आर ओनली यूजिंग द बाइनरी ऑपरेटर or which works on two operands only. Yes or no? So whenever we will talk about the arithmetic expressions, so that is what we are talking. So ये plus जो है वो binary की तरह work कर रहा है, and plus will operate on A and B. Okay? Done?
सर एक डाउट है सर.
पूछो.
सर ये ऑपरेशन जो है प्रीफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन और पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन, ये केवल दो ऑपरेंड के बीच ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होगा सर? कि
Yes.
दो से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं?
बाइनरी दो से ज्यादा हो
हाँ.
सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं सर, केवल दो ही ऑपरेंड यूज होंगे.
तो क्वेश्चन भी आप पूछ रहे हो, आंसर भी आप दे रहे हो. वेरी गुड. So binary, as I have already discussed many times, that it is binary operator, so it will perform only on two operands. Okay?
ओके
Done?
सर. डन सर.
Good. Then, any other doubt to anyone else? So they are simply a different forms of an arithmetic expression, a plus b. Simple. Done?
Sir, they are valid in C programming also?
They are valid in C programming? No. You need to write the different code for that. If you are writing this kind of expression, then you need to write the different code for it. Like first you need to convert it into infix, and then it will be evaluated. Or if you are writing algorithms to evaluate postfix, then you need to convert it into postfix. It means normal code will handle only this. Okay? But if you are writing or using this, you need to have some algorithms in order to convert it in proper form to be evaluated.
Sir, what are the uses of these different forms if we are finally writing A plus B only then?
Yes. Now tell me, good question. Now suppose what you are doing. Well, you are doing A plus B in your, say in C program, you're writing C equals to A plus B. What happens actually? How it will be evaluated? It will be evaluated after conversion of in postfix form. In background, something is going on and it will be converted into postfix forms, and then stack will be used and it will be evaluated. तो जो बैकग्राउंड में एप्लीकेशन लिखी हुई है, कंपाइलर में जो वर्क्स लिखे हुए हैं कि whenever you are writing this, whenever plus is found, then A and B needs to be added. How it will be added? Then this expression first needs to convert it into, it will be converted by compiler into postfix form or prefix form, and then some algorithm will be used. That algorithm you will see now. I will come on to that algorithm also. Okay. Likewise this postfix evaluation operator. So we will see how it will be evaluated using the stack and how it will be converted also into the postfix form. आप देखोगे कैसे convert होती है वो. First and foremost use of that is like using or learning this kind of expressions is this. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose you want to write in compiler. Okay, compiler, but your compiler is likewise key. It should handle the infix expression. So infix expression कैसे evaluate हो वो आपको पता होना चाहिए, because user will always write the infix forms. User does not know postfix and prefix form. User जानता होगा कि a plus b क्या होता है, a plus b क्या नहीं होता है ना? So he always input the expression in the infix form. So you need to work on that actually. So तभी हम पढ़ रहे हैं. That is why we are learning about how the expression will be evaluated and converted using stack. So you know how the compiler works. Is it okay now?
ओके सर. सर जनरली ह्यूमन की लैंग्वेज में सर.
And second use of that is
Sir.
whenever we will learn about, yes, I will come on to you. Whenever we will learn about the tree, the tree will be there, which is another data structure which can be used to represent the arithmetic expression you are writing. And tree has three different traversal methods: pre-order, post-order, and in-order. So corresponding to that, you can also relate it with that. Whenever you are writing the expressions, mathematical expressions, बैकग्राउंड में वो एक ट्री की फॉर्म में सेव होंगे, एंड हाउ दे विल बी रीड आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिफरेंट ट्रैवर्सल्स. तो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंगली वी हैव थ्री ऑर्डर्स: इनफिक्स, प्रीफिक्स एंड पोस्टफिक्स. तो ये दो रीजन है आपका इन चीजों को पढ़ने का. नाउ यू आस्क एनीवन एल्स.
सर जनरल कंपाइलर तो इसको ऐसे ट्रीट करेगा कि पहले ऑपरेटर है और बाद में ऑपरेंड, लेकिन ह्यूमन इसको जनरली सर प्लस ए डॉट बी कंसीडर करेगा सर शायद.
तो
सर
ह्यूमन
यही
के पास
सोच रहा
जाएगा
था
क्यों
मैं.
ये? ह्यूमन के पास जाएगा क्यों? ह्यूमन के पास तो ये जाएगा ए प्लस बी.
यस सर.
तो ह्यूमन क्यों पढ़ेगा इसको?
सर मैं एक्चुअली यही सोच रहा था कि ए डॉट बी तो नहीं है.
ए डॉट बी क्यों है ये?
सर मैं जनरली सर
हाँ ठीक है.
ह्यूमन के तौर
अब
पर सोच रहा
जो
था.
जो those person who do not know actually this infix form, postfix form, they can think over that. But now you know that these three expressions are there. Now you cannot read that a dot b. Okay. अब problem ये है कि user will only write in this form. Compiler will convert into this. It is same like you are writing a code in the form in a high level language, but compiler will only understand it in the form of machine language. Yes or no? तो मशीन लैंग्वेज ह्यूमन थोड़ी जानता है क्या है मशीन लैंग्वेज. यदि अभी आप यहाँ पर लिख दो 11001000 तब ये पता है क्या लिखा हुआ है आपको? Do you know what is it?
No
What is it
sir,
actually? बस so
I
suppose
am
a
not
plus b.
understand.
हाँ, so a plus b is there. So correspondingly say 1010101 is there. What does it means? You don't know, but compiler knows that. So that is what the compiler is there to handle all these kinds of expressions. Okay. Now we will see. Like in order to handle this is very simple actually, but if we come on to the let me see different kinds of expressions. Say this, suppose this particular expression is there, a plus b minus or multiplication c minus d with brackets and multiple operators. Okay, so ये इनकी प्रीफिक्स एंड पोस्टफिक्स फॉर्म्स हैं. नाउ यू नीड टू इवैल्यूएट दिस. आपको करनी है अपने आप. कैसे उससे पहले मैं बहुत कुछ बताने वाला हूँ आपको, डोंट वरी. सो नाउ कंसीडर दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सप्रेशन ओनली. This is not so simple. Okay, so how it will be converted first in prefix or postfix? For that we need to learn some rules, and that rules are known as precedence and associativity rule. And I know that you already have some idea about that precedence and associativity. In C, you might have learned about this. So what is precedence first of all? Precedence
Read.
is nothing.
It is a way.
Order of evolution.
It is a way to read the operator, left to right or right to left.
No, wrong.
So it tells
No.
the preference which should be first. And
Yes.
Yes.
It is providing the priority of the operators. It decides the priority of the operators. So highest priority operator will operate first, and then the lower one, and then lower one, and so on. BODMAS rule ध्यान होगा सब लोगों को. BODMAS, BODMAS. So first
Bracket open.
then divide,
division, multiplication,
multiplication.
addition, and subtraction.
So this is what the precedence means actually. Precedence means कि higher priority operators will operate first. Higher priority operators will evaluate first. Okay. Like suppose 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 multiply 2 आपको दिया हुआ है. So what you will do? Like in the below example, you can only see a plus b plus c if you have been given. So what does it means? How it will be evaluated? First क्या evaluate होगा? Plus or multiply?
Sir, multiplication operator.
Multiply.
That is what the precedence means. Is it okay now? Precedence is there to identify the priority of the operators which is being evaluated first. Okay, so what we will do, we will evaluate b into c, then result will be added to a. Now what is associativity? If suppose same priority operator occurs, like suppose a plus b plus c होता है यहाँ पर, तो क्या होता? दोनों प्लस हैं. Then what we will do? Both have the same priority. Or a plus b minus c होता.
Yes, sir. We will go from left.
Then we will go from left to right or right to left. It is known as associativity. So if the same priority operators comes in an expression, then associativity is used to determine in which order those operators will evaluate. Okay, so like this, a plus b minus c. What happens now? Plus and minus has the same priority. So which will evaluate first? So we need to use associativity now. So where precedence will not work, we need to go to associativity. Okay, so first of all, in every arithmetic expression, we will find the precedence. So precedence means कि we will see which operator has a higher priority, and then we will evaluate first. Now suppose we stuck somewhere where two operators are there and they have the same priority, then we will use associativity. Associativity says that either we need to evaluate the expression in left to right order or right to left order. So in this case, a specific plus or minus case, plus arithmetic operators are always left to right associative. So we will, what we will do, we will evaluate the operator which comes first, which comes onto the left actually. So left, on left we have plus operator. So plus will be evaluated first, and then minus will be evaluated. Sorry, here I have written multiply, but it is not multiply, it is minus. Okay. Is it okay now? What is precedence and what is associativity? Any doubt in this?
ये
Yes,
सर
sir.
प्रेसिडेंसी जब का वर्क करे वो एसोसिएटिविटी जब वर्क करेगा जब प्रेसिडेंसी का कॉन्सेप्ट सर डिफॉल्ट कर जाएगा, क्योंकि सेम ऑपरेटर में तो सर एसोसिएटिविटी का यूज होगा, और अगर ये डिफरेंट ऑपरेटर में डिफरेंट ऑपरेटर है तो सर उसमें प्रेसिडेंसी काम आएगा सर।
हाँ जी।
और सर इसमें अनएम्बिगुअस और एम्बिगुअस का कॉन्सेप्ट भी तो लगेगा कि कौन सा साइड समझने में यूजर को कंपाइलर समझ सकता है आसानी से।
उस पर भी हम आए नहीं है बेटा।
ओके सर।
Precedence and associativity table. So here actually I want to show the precedence and associativity of some main operators that we may use in our examples. Okay. Actually the list is too long. You all have that list in your C books, so you can refer that also. But here I am only using some specific for which we are going to use now. So this is priority actually. In first column you can see the priority. So first priority operators are parentheses. So first of all what we need to do, we need to check the parentheses first. तो सबसे पहले brackets solve होंगे, and brackets are always from left to right. Associativity, if suppose two same small brackets are there in some expression, then it will be solved in left to right order. Second priority will be of exponent operator. Exponent, it means ki power. Power is right to left actually. How it is right to left actually? Can anybody explain me how it is right to left? Yes, can anybody explain me how it is right to left? Like suppose I am writing 3 to the power 2. So what does it mean?
सर 3 का सर लैंग्वेज में इसको प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में तो उसको ये लिखेंगे ना 3 स्टार स्टार 2।
जरूर नहीं, there are two operators. Now in Python you can say it is plus plus star star, but in C it is either this दो symbols हैं, this arrow operator or either this cap operator. Okay, so what it is right associative. If suppose like two power operators are there, suppose this is 2 to the power 3. So what does it mean now? It will be right associative. It means ki first of all 2 to the power 3 will be calculated, and then the resultant will be added to 3. Is it okay now? It will not be right left to right. You can see that the result will be changed now. What does it mean actually? 3 to the power 2 to the power 3. इसका मतलब क्या है कि first of all I am calculating 2 to the power 3, it is 8, and then 3 to the power 8. So result is actually 3 to the power 8. You are getting it? Yes or no?
सर पहले
Yes, sir.
2 का पावर 3
and actually it is overall 3 to the power 8. But suppose if you are using left to right, what it will be actually? 3 to the power 2, it is 9. 9 to the power 3, it is this. So is the result the same?
No,
नो
sir.
सर।
No,
Or
sir.
which one is appropriate? 3 to the power 8 or 9 to the power 3?
3 to the power 8.
Yes, this is actually appropriate. So that's why we are saying that it will be right to left associative. So now it is clear how it is actually right to left.
Sir, how it is more appropriate?
Yes, actually what we want 2 to the power 3. आपको इसमें लिखा क्या है actually 3 2 की power 2 की power 3. इसको आपने ऐसे लिखा है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस 3 to power 8.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? So definitely in this we will not calculate 3 to the power 2 first. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We will
Yes, sir.
calculate first this 2 to the power
2 to
3,
the
2
power
की
3.
power
then
3.
3 to the power 8. So that is what we want to say. That's why it is right to left associative. Okay. So next one is multiply, plus, and divide. So what does it means? Follow. It will be left or right associative. Are you listening me?
Sir, क्या sir? Yes, sir. Sir, क्या sir?
In
Question,
next case, I am asking. In next case, I am asking. At third number, the operators are multiply, divide, and modulus operator. So they are left associative or right associative.
Left to right.
They are
Left to right.
Okay.
Left
Then the priority
to
will be
right.
of fourth, plus and minus. Yes. So then
Sir,
the
but
priority.
according
Multiplication को पहला
Bodmas,
priority.
excuse me, sir, but according to Bodmas, division is happening first, na, instead of multiplication.
Sorry.
Sir, according to
हाँ,
Bodmas, division is happening first before of multiplication.
बिल्कुल. But now what happens actually? Here suppose I am having class multiplication and divide both. So we need to follow. The associativity happens when two divides occurs at the same time. आपका क्वेश्चन क्लियर है? Associativity occurs when two divides are there at the same expression. It means I am writing suppose 3 divided by 4 divided by 5. Then it will be right to left. But suppose 3 into 4 divided by 5. Then what?
4 divided by 5 will happen
Right to
first
left.
and then we
Sir,
multiply by 3.
No, again, nahi. In this
3
case again
into
it will be 3
3
into
into
4
4.
evaluate first, and
12
then
टू राइट जाएगा.
12
upon
into
5.
5.
Division होगा ना सर?
In C,
Multiplication के बाद division.
in C it happens. In C it happens actually. In C it happens. Operators, precedence, according to precedence, we need to see now. Precedence of both the operators are same. So we need to work on left to right basis. So for which one is occurring onto the left, it will be evaluated first. Okay.
So that means we are not going according to Bodmas.
Bodmas, हाँ अभी Bodmas को अभी साइड में रख दो एक बार. Okay. We will come
Okay,
on to that again. If required, we will come on to that again. Is it okay now? Now next one is the priority of plus and minus. So plus and minus have the same priority and it will be evaluated on left to right basis. Then these relational operators occurs less than, greater than, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, then double equals to, then not equals to, then logical and logical operators occurs, and in this way the priority is there actually. You can refer the table, priority table and associativity table through like net or that, all you can find it easily. Now we are coming on to how we can convert the infix into postfix by hand. We will see with two different methods actually. हम दो methods से देखेंगे बेटा. We will see with two different methods. First is by hand and second one is using stack. Okay, so in examination also you may have been asked like to convert the infix into postfix using stack. So you need to use stack. Okay, and suppose if you are generally if you have been asked to as a numerical form, then you can use by hand method. So you need to find out which method you need to use in which situation. If using stack is specified, then you need to use that method only, and if nothing is being specified, then you can use both, either by hand method or by stack, using by stack. So first of all by hand, तो first पता होना चाहिए हमें कि हम कैसे actually कर पाएंगे. Definitely numericals will be there in your exams, and it is also important from gate point of view. Actually, in gate point of view, definitely MCQs are there, and in MCQ it is not specified that you either need to use stack or you need to use hands-on method. So you can use either one, and definitely in that case by hand method is very useful क्योंकि वो बहुत short and बहुत like easy हो जाता है. So that method you should all know. So that the simple steps of converting the expression in fixed expression into postfix is, first of all we need to like suppose given expression in the in fixed form हमें दी हुई है. Now find the highest precedence operator. First of all हम उस सबसे पहले we will find the one operator with the same precedence. Then we need to check the associativity and pick the leftmost first. As we know that in all the cases, arithmetic operations, all the cases, the left one will be evaluated first. Now convert the operator and its operand from infix to postfix form likewise. Suppose a plus b is there, then we can write it in form ab plus. Now you know that what is it, ab plus. आप सबको पता है what is that. So for this infix, we have ab plus as an postfix. Now we need to repeat the remaining 2, 3, 4 steps till all the expression is being converted into postfix form. Now we will see how. And same in the case of prefix, all is same. That what you need to do is you need to just put the operator prior to the operand. That simple change you are having in this conversion. Rest all is same. Is it okay? So now we will see how we can do it. That is very important. Just look into the diagram. First of all, we will see infix to prefix form. Okay. You just go line by line. Okay. Yes or no? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
And I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just go line by line first. Okay. So first of all, look at that part. A plus B multiplied by C. ये किस फॉर्म में है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल?
Infix.
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 So now first of all identify how many operators are there in this,
Two.
Two
and
operators.
which one has a higher priority?
Multiplication.
Multiply.
Multiplication.
So in the next line I have tried to find out the thing which has the operator which has the highest priority. So we need to work on that first. So now it will be converted into prefix form by this form. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
We can put
Yes,
we
sir.
can
Yes,
put
sir.
this multiplied prior to both the operands. So B into C can be written as multiplied B into B C. Done?
Yes, sir.
or no? Good.
Yes,
Done,
sir.
sir.
Then come on to that part next. Now this is the whole thing plus plus or multiply B and C. ये क्या है? This is an operand now. Look at that. What I am saying, operand. ये क्या है? Operand. Now
B
it
and C
becomes
are
a value.
operands.
Whole
This-
bracket is an operand.
Yes. This becomes a value actually.
Bracket is an operand.
Yes, this becomes a value, or we can say this becomes an operand. Operand operand. Is it okay now?
We can consider asterisk BC bracket
As an value, as
Is
an
it-
operand, as yes, a single value. Single value.
सर ऑपरेंड तो ये तब बनेगा ना जब पहले इनके बीच मल्टीप्लिकेशन का ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होगा तब
हाँ,
आफ्टर
होगा,
ये
बिल्कुल होगा. हो गया ना? We are
आफ्टर ये
considering
ऑपरेंड
that.
बनेगा सर.
What I am saying is it has been done. ये हो चुका है. I will come on to the numerical example also. Okay, so this will be actually single operand. This is actually a single value to now the expression. So it is actually, we can say that it is actually what? Nothing but A plus X, where X is asterisk BC, multiply BC. Is it okay?
ओके सर.
Multiply
Yes, sir.
BC. So multiply BC can be written as X now. So it is simple AX, A plus X. So now what will be the prefix of A plus X?
Plus AX.
Plus AX.
Plus AX.
So many in next step I have
Plus
written only
AX.
that. Plus A and X. Done. And finally,
Yes,
this is
sir.
my
Done, sir.
output. I have removed the brackets. So this is the given infix and its corresponding prefix is this. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
ओके सर सर हमको
सर
इन
हमने जो ब्रैकेट्स लगाए थे सेकंड स्टेप से वो
Yes,
अपने
definitely,
समझने के लिए
definitely.
लगवाए थे,
So
सर इनका
फिर हम बाद में रिमूव
initially
कर
you
देंगे
need
लास्ट
to
में.
put the brackets for your own understanding, and finally you can remove this and you can write the last expression as an output or as a result. This one.
ओके सर.
ठीक
सर
है?
मैं अपना क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूँ
हाँ पूछो बेटा.
सर हमको इन प्रीफिक्स और पोस्ट फिक्स फिक्स की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी सर हम इन फिक्स से तो भी तो काम चला सकते थे
ये मैंने आपको अब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ बाकी दूसरे स्टूडेंट से. डिस्कशन आपसे नहीं पूछा मैं. और have I already explained this question or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस
Ajay
सर.
asked this.
Someone, Ajay has asked this question and I have answered it, and I have given two reasons of that. Can anybody tell me now why you are
One
asking the
compiler,
questions again
second
and
tree.
same questions again and again?
Compiler considers this.
Compiler will consider this form, and another one is
3.
tree. Yes, in when the expression will be represented as tree, you will learn how when we will learn the tree data structure, then you will learn that how it can be represented as a tree. And in tree we can have three different traversing order, and based on that traversing order we can have these three form actually. In order, pre-order, post-order वहाँ होते हैं, उसके correspondingly we have infix, prefix and postfix. So that I have already discussed 2 times. So Brishkishore, you need to attentive in the class.
सर मैं अटेंड कर रहा हूँ सर भूल गया था
Okay, कोई इशू नहीं है. अटेंड तो कर रहे हो, मैं कह रहा हूँ अटेंटिव होना चाहिए. अटेंड तो सभी कर रहे हैं. 50 लोग बैठे
सर मैं
हैं
अटेंटिव हूँ सर अटेंटिव हूँ सर
लेकिन 50 लोग अटेंटिव नहीं है, ये मुझे ही पता है. So is it okay now? ये क्लियर है आपको how we have done this? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now we are coming on to the
Thanks, sir.
postfix. Now we are coming on to the postfix, or the same. So I
Yes,
think postfix should also be clear to you all. Postfix clear है सबको? ये बाकी दो छोड़ देना अभी बाद वाले. ये देखो आप infix to postfix, is it okay? हमने क्या किया?
Yes, sir.
First of all, again same.
Clear, sir.
We have find out the highest priority operator. We have find out the highest priority operator, which is this multiply. Then we have make that postfix of this b asterisk c, that is bc star, and now this is x. Considering that it is x, it is a plus b, a plus x, sorry, and then a plus x will be converted into ax plus. So it is now a b c star plus. Look at the order of the operators. You need to be careful while writing the expression at the end without parenthesis. So it should be likewise, the order must not be changed. Is it okay now? This is postfix form. Is it okay? Yes or no? Any doubt in that till now?
No, sir.
Now come on to this part.
Okay, sir.
Third example. Again, infix to prefix. कुछ animation mistake हो गई है इसमें. Don't worry, I will correct it. So now I have put the bracket. Question is same. We just compare it. Question is same. Yes or no? Question is a plus b star.
Yes, sir.
But initially this is again an infix, but brackets is there. Now this expression contains some parentheses. So first one, according to the rule, the highest priority is of parentheses. We need to solve the parentheses first. Definitely. So parentheses will be converted first. A plus b will be converted. Now we will not look onto the operator precedence or associativity. We are going to solve the brackets first. So it will be converted into
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
x equals to a plus b
Ajay पूछो.
Infix to prefix conversion only again. Infix conversion only, or you are changing something else?
Not getting you. Your voice is like breaking.
Is this conversion from infix to prefix only, or some else
लिखा हुआ है ना
operator?
बच्चे बेटा, infix to prefix कर रहे हैं अभी हम ये वाला. ये first one था infix to prefix, second one था infix to postfix. कहाँ गया? Infix to postfix, third one वापस से infix to prefix है. अजय
Sir, okay.
Ajay, is it
ब्रैकेट्स का यूज किया है सर.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
question is different now. मैंने brackets I have put it in that. So now plus AB, now plus AB will work as a plus AB कैसे work करेगा यहाँ पर?
Operand.
As a
Please.
single operand.
X multiplied by C, multiply XC. Finally, the output is this. Again, so now you can compare this two. This one and sorry, this one and this one. ये compare करो आप. दोनों अलग अलग हैं.
Yes, sir.
Equation is same. Plus A plus B minus multiply C, A plus B multiplied C. Equation is same, but by simply putting the brackets, we are getting the different results. That I want to convey actually. Done. On the same postfix, expression is same. Here the expression is same. Okay. But while I am putting some brackets in between somewhere in the expression, then the result is changed. Here it is A plus B multiplied C plus, here it is A, B plus C multiplied. Infix to postfix last वाला है okay है?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in that? कोई doubt हो क्योंकि that is same, हमने same काम किया है.
नो सर.
Same काम नहीं किया.
सेम है सर. सेम है सर, लेकिन आपने ब्रैकेट का यूज करके सर चेंज कर दिया सर.
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is how we are going to convert the infix into prefix and postfix. Some more example I am going to take. Like suppose A plus B multiplied C minus D. That is infix form. So this is its postfix form. Time is 11:56, so we will have this in the next class. Okay. So you just note it down and you come up with the answer. You just note it down. A plus B multiplied C minus D. You need to find the postfix and you need to find the prefix both. Is it okay?
ओके सर. सर ये होमवर्क है ना?
Abhi, like, this will also be an assignment. I will put the assignment today also on the class. But in the I have one more class at 1:30. So उसमें आप ये वाला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके आइएगा. Done?
Sir,
डन सर.
Yes. Please ask. If you have something, you can ask now.